Hey there, we just added something that's been a long time coming. If your site's been crawling lately, these database cleanup tools might just fix it. Let me walk you through them. So here's what's happening till now. Every lesson view, every quiz answer, every click, we log it all. That's great for tracking who's doing what, but after a year or two, you've got gigabytes of data that's not really that helpful. A lot of you told us that this was slowing down your websites, and we built something to fix it. You can now clear out old logs without touching anything your students actually need. First, Thrive Apprentice. This cleanup tool shows up in version 10.8.6, so update if you haven't. And as always, back up your site before you update. I know it's boring, but when something happens, you'll be glad you did. When that's done, you will navigate to the WordPress dashboard, then to Thrive Apprentice and settings, and there you see data cleanup. Here you pick how far back you want to keep your data, last 6 months, last year, it's your call. Then you hit delete, and it will ask you to confirm because this cannot be undone. Click yes if you're sure. So quick reassurance that everything is safe, your student progress, that's safe, certificates also safe, course access, that's safe. We're only deleting activity logs here, timestamps and view counts that pile up in your reports. So nothing important. Then Thrive Quiz Builder. Thrive Quiz Builder stats can pile up even faster. We didn't have a way to manage this before, but now we do. Navigate to the Thrive dashboard. Then go to Quiz Builder, and then go to Settings. And there you'll find quiz stats and data. So here you get two options. The first one is to turn off stats completely. Flip this to off and it stops recording anything new. What's already there stays, but nothing new gets added. If you really don't need quiz stats, that's fine, but I think there's a smarter way, and that is option 2. Here you leave stats tracking on, but turn on automatic cleanup. That's the one I personally use. You can tell it to keep your stats for 30 days, 60 days, whatever you need, and it deletes anything older than that automatically. So your database stays small, you keep the recent data you need for optimizations, but you never have to think about it again. So what gets cleaned up here? Analytics, completion rates, quiz scores, activity timeline, the stuff you see in your reports. And that's it. If you've been running courses for a while, these tools can speed things up noticeably. For Apprentice, I'd run a cleanup when your database feels bloated. For Quiz Builder, I would just set it to auto cleanup and forget about it. If this helped, hit like. If you got questions or try these features, throw in a comment below and we'll read all your comments. Thanks for watching.